I've got to see the lightning with all my senses. I've got to feel it. I'm calm as the sky and still as a stone.
You must use another sense. Feel the movements of the air around me, and then you'll be able to see me. You need to get rid of your redundant moves. You must be more tranquil than the sky, and yet quicker than lightning.
I feel it! I'm the strongest in the world!
Mastering his senses is harder than Goku thought. Was that fourth bolt of lightning more than our little headstrong hero can take? Will he ever stand up on Mount Rumble again? Don't miss the next exciting Dragon Ball!